KVUE stock analysis and KVUE stock prediction. This is for Tuesday, Monday, right? 16th of June. Breaking down my exact play and everything. And I'm the only guy in this space with 42,000 videos made, so you know I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially, I mean, now, I wouldn't say this is like very complicated. I mean, for me, all I'm like recently just waiting to do is just buy, and then as long as it makes sense, and that as long as it makes sense is if there is a full candle close above 215. What happens if it just goes down a bit lower, where it's gonna just need to be a double break in this case? But there's like nothing crazy. Obviously, I'll keep you updated for that. So if you do want to learn to stay tuned with KVUE for free, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. But moving forward, man, like I do have even previous receipts here in the Discord. Just like one result, nothing crazy, but I appreciate the bullish market and I'm looking to just double down on it. So goodbye and enjoy. Nothing else that I will add here.